Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Once done, remove the lower dash trim. Locate the 7mm screws and pry plastic clips with a trim tool. Make sure to work from the edges and keep fasteners in a small container so nothing gets lost. As you expose connectors, label each with tape and a number so reassembly is smooth. These early steps give access to screws and bolts holding the dash, and they prevent damage to fragile panels while you continue. Once lower trim is off, remove the instrument cluster screws and carefully pull the cluster straight out to unplug the wiring harness. Wiggle gently to avoid broken pins. Next, unfasten the glove box, center bezel, and HVAC ducts using 8mm and 10mm sockets. Keep track of bolt locations. You'll need to support the dash assembly. Have a helper hold it or use a padded support jack to take load off the mounting points. Make sure to disconnect any ground straps and airbag connectors only after battery isolation to stay safe. You're ready to remove the main dash. Loosen the 10mm and 13mm bolts securing it and pull the dash forward steadily while watching for trapped wiring or HVAC hoses. Once free, set the dash on a padded surface. Before reinstallation, reconnect or cap any vacuum lines and electrical plugs and test electronics by briefly reconnecting the battery. Verify gauges, lights, and HVAC operation. If the dash won't come free, check for missed fasteners, hidden screws behind vents, or a harness still clipped under the frame. Free that before forcing removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.